We are starting the day off at a monkey forest with Harry, with Kim, and with Danny. And it's, oh, what the hell was that? That hurt. Yeah, it's gonna rain really badly, but hopefully these trees cover us. There's, well, a lot of monkeys, let's just say, over there. That is an awesome tree. Oh, he's coming already. This one that's, he's... Go on then, jump. Hello, little guy. Oh! We're here at a market with Kim and Harry. Nope, Kim and Harry, Danny, having some noodles. Have to be quick because there's going to be a DVD player starting in 2 seconds. Like that. So yeah, it's been good. Have you guys enjoyed it? Yeah? Yeah? Did you like your noodles?
Loved it.
You like yours noodles? Yep. Good. I'm going to stop before this starts to get really loud.
40 minutes until the color become like this.
Oh wow, it's like black.
Yeah.
They're going to try it, give it a whirl. They're trying all these different ones now. There's like loads of different ones, like vanilla coffee.
Go on, Jim.
First day's going in.
Coconut. Oh.
I need sugar.
Sugar, yeah.
It's good. It's good. I need.
Go on, how's that? Hot.
Look, I need some sugar.
That's really nice, that one. I don't even like coconut.
That is nice. The coconut.
Yeah.
Really
These
good.
are good though. That's my favourite.
That's the
that
best one
there.
that we got now,
Variety
Danny.
of different coffee, and the vanilla and the coconut coffee are really.
I don't think that's the best.
No, that one's the best.
This one?
This one has such a
This
nice
one.
aftertaste.
So we're leaving here for our next destination. I think it's the waterfalls actually, I'm not too sure, but yeah. Bye bye. Currently going to 4 waterfalls apparently. And you can jump into these ones. That's the first one we've ever done, if you can actually jump into them. And you can slide into them and stuff, so hopefully it's actually decent. You have to pay like £5 or something each to get a tour guide. Yeah. But yeah, hopefully it's just awesome. It's only a 15-minute walk, they said, so we'll see if we can find it. So we're here at the waterfall, biggest waterfall we've seen. Oh my god, the wind coming off of it is mad. And you probably can't hear me because it's so loud. Crazy, absolutely crazy. Can't swim in this one, and I think I know why, because look at that, that's powerful. So we're at this waterfall. You can jump in. Look at the distance. Let me show you without dying. There's the thing. Not sure how deep it is, how far it goes. Maybe 10 foot. Hazard's there. He's going to jump in straight away. Of course he is. Hang on, don't jump. Let me record you. There we go. It's recording. That's high, man. Yeah. Awesome. Yeah. So I had some sort of panic attack, no one saw it, and I thought I was going to die, basically. That's high. That's very high. Wow. So we are back to our hotel. I know the footage wasn't that great, and the reason for this is because there was a case on my GoPro, like a full blown case to protect it from obviously smashing on the rocks and stuff. The case that I've got now is a little bit battered as well, and one of the hinges come off. So yeah, really disappointed at the footage, but we figured out that it was 15 meters, the top one, right? The biggest one we did right at the end, and that works out to be just under 50 foot, which is 5 stories high. That is insane. When I jumped off at the top, I didn't show the clip before, but I was literally petrified for ages. And yeah, I was standing there like, do I do this or not? But we managed to do it, managed to smash it, and yeah, very happy.